Did you know that something as simple as eating a kiwi or a handful of blueberries could help you walk pain-free again, or even reduce wrinkles on your skin? It might sound too good to be true, but there's real science behind it. After age 60, our bodies naturally produce less collagen, a protein that's critical for both joint strength and youthful skin. But here's the good news. Certain fruits can help reverse this decline. In this video, we're uncovering the top 6 fruits that act like natural collagen boosters, fighting joint stiffness, rebuilding cartilage, and even smoothing out those fine lines. Whether you struggle with arthritis, knee pain, or are just looking to age gracefully, what you eat matters more than you think. And these fruits? They're nature's secret weapons. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which fruits to add to your diet to rebuild collagen, improve mobility, and glow from the inside out, even after 60. Why collagen and joint health decline? After 60, let's start with what happens as we age. Around the age of 25, collagen production starts to decline. By the time we hit 60, we may have lost up to half of our natural collagen reserves. That's why many older adults experience sagging skin, joint stiffness, brittle bones, and even digestive issues, because collagen plays a role in all of these systems. Think of collagen like the scaffolding that holds everything together. It cushions your joints, strengthens bones, smooths your skin, and keeps tissues flexible. But when that scaffolding starts to break down, everything feels weaker. Certain fruits, especially those high in vitamin C, antioxidants, and specific enzymes, can jumpstart your body's natural collagen production. And unlike supplements, they come with a powerful blend of nutrients, fiber, and hydration that your body craves. Let's dive into the 6 best fruits to bring collagen and joint health back to life. Fruit 1, blueberries, the tiny giants of joint protection. Blueberries may be small, but they pack a serious punch when it comes to protecting your joints and boosting collagen. Here's why. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, a type of antioxidant that fights inflammation and helps prevent the breakdown of collagen. Chronic inflammation is one of the main causes of joint pain, arthritis, and cartilage loss. Plus, blueberries contain vitamin C, a key nutrient your body needs to make new collagen. Studies have even shown that people who eat blueberries regularly have lower levels of markers for joint degeneration and experience less stiffness in their knees. How to use? Add a handful of fresh or frozen blueberries to your morning oatmeal, smoothies, or yogurt. Just half a cup a day can make a big difference. Fruit 2, strawberries, the sweet collagen. Booster strawberries aren't just delicious, they're one of the top vitamin C-rich fruits you can eat. And why is vitamin C so important? Because your body cannot produce collagen without it. In fact, just 5 to 6 strawberries provide more than 100% of your daily vitamin C needs. Vitamin C activates the enzymes your body uses to produce collagen, helping to rebuild cartilage in your joints and improve skin elasticity. But that's not all. Strawberries are also rich in ellagic acid, which helps prevent the breakdown of collagen from UV rays and environmental stress. How to use? Slice them into salads, mix into smoothies, or simply eat them as a sweet, juicy snack. Fruit 3, papaya, the enzyme that repairs. Papaya is one of the most underrated fruits for collagen repair, and here's why. It contains a unique enzyme called papain that helps break down and digest proteins, making it easier for your body to absorb collagen-building amino acids. It's also loaded with vitamin C, vitamin A, and flavonoids, all crucial for collagen production and reducing inflammation in the joints. In traditional medicine, papaya has been used to treat arthritis and joint swelling for generations. It also helps with gut health, which indirectly supports better collagen synthesis by improving nutrient absorption. How to use. Try it fresh in a fruit bowl, or blend it into a tropical smoothie with coconut water and a squeeze of lime. Fruit 4. Pineapple, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. Pineapple isn't just a tropical treat. It's also one of the best fruits for reducing joint inflammation, thanks to an enzyme called bromelain. Bromelain has been shown to reduce swelling, ease joint pain, and support soft tissue healing, especially in people with osteoarthritis. Combined with its high vitamin C content, pineapple helps your body form new collagen and repair damaged tissue. In fact, studies have found that bromelain can work as well as some over-the-counter pain relievers in reducing joint pain, without the side effects. How to use. Fresh pineapple chunks, pineapple juice, unsweetened, or even a post-walk pineapple smoothie can do wonders. Fruit 5. Guava, the hidden gem of collagen nutrition. Guava is one of the richest sources of vitamin C in the fruit world. Just one guava provides nearly 4 times your daily requirement. But that's not all. Guava also contains zinc and copper, 2 trace minerals that are essential for the final step of collagen formation. If you've never tried guava, now's the time. It's also rich in dietary fiber, helping support gut health, which in turn boosts your body's ability to absorb nutrients critical to collagen and joint repair. How to use. Enjoy it raw, sliced with a dash of lime and chili powder, or added to a fruit salad for an extra collagen kick. Fruit 6. Kiwi, the collagen catalyst. Last, but definitely not least, kiwi. This fuzzy little fruit is another vitamin C powerhouse, but it also contains vitamin E and actinidin, a natural enzyme that supports digestion and nutrient absorption. Kiwi helps maintain skin firmness, supports healthy joints, and improves the elasticity of ligaments and tendons, especially important for those experiencing mobility issues after 60. It also aids in reducing oxidative stress, which can speed up collagen breakdown in the body. How to use. Eat the whole thing, skin and all, if you're up for it, or scoop out the flesh and add it to smoothies, cereals, or even savory dishes. How to combine these fruits for maximum effect. You don't have to eat all 6 fruits every day, but combining 2 to 3 of them daily can significantly enhance your collagen levels and joint health over time. Try this simple collagen-boosting smoothie. Half cup strawberries, half cup blueberries, 1 kiwi, half cup papaya or pineapple, a squeeze of lime, 1 cup coconut water. Blend it up, and you've got a delicious, anti-aging, joint-healing powerhouse in a glass. If you're over 50 or 60 and dealing with stiff knees, aching joints, or sagging skin, don't wait for pills or creams to fix the problem. Start from the inside out. Nature already gave us the tools: vitamin C-rich fruits, anti-inflammatory enzymes, and gut-supporting nutrients that build collagen naturally. Here's your 3-step plan. Eat 2 to 3 of these collagen-boosting fruits daily. Pair them with protein, like Greek yogurt or nuts, to fuel collagen production. Stay consistent. Your joints, skin, and energy levels will thank you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a loved one over 60 who could benefit from stronger joints and smoother skin. And don't forget to subscribe to Wise and Well, where we empower you to age with strength, vitality, and wisdom. See you in the next one.